In today's video, let's take a look at the few steps that you can follow in order to solve the Snapchat Spotlight upload problem. If you're facing this issue, the first thing that you can do is look for new updates available for the Snapchat app. So just head over to the Play Store, search the Snapchat and make sure that the application is up to date. What you'll also need to do second of all is try to clear the app cache of Snapchat. So just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon once you're inside, head over to storage and you can just tap on the clear cache option. Once you complete this step, try to remove the Snapchat app from the recent app list and try to see if the issue is fixed. If the issue is still not fixed, then what you can also try out is try to uninstall the Snapchat app from your phone and then again re-download it. Now sometimes what happens, if you do not follow the community guidelines or the Spotlight guidelines of Snapchat, then you won't be able to upload certain kind of content into Spotlight. So make sure that you do have followed the guidelines of the Spotlight. Now lastly, what you can try out is try to submit the video or the Spotlight from the web version. So you can just open up a browser and try to log into your Snapchat using a browser and try to see if you can upload it. By following these few steps, you'll be able to fix the Snapchat Spotlight upload problem. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next one.